everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash stuffing for the week. I have $3.21 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. First, going to start off in my wallet and take out the leftover money that I have in here. I'll count it and see how much I have left over after a week of shopping using this system. Oh, and before I get to that, I just wanted to mention, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to hit some subscriber goals by the end of this year. So if you can help me to achieve that, that'd be amazing. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any hypes, hype it up too. That also helps out. So I'd appreciate all of that. Thank you so much for watching. But yeah, I'm gonna take the money out of here and see how much I didn't spend. So in spending, I have $10 left over from the 30 that I originally had in here. So 10, that's going into savings. Eating out, I had 30 in here as well. $10 left also, so that's all going into savings. Groceries, I have $1 left from the 80 that I spent. So this is going into Costco. Coffee, spent everything. And then buffer, let's see, I don't think I spent anything, yeah. So I had 10 in here and I still have 10. So this is all going into savings. All right, so I started the week with $170 in my wallet, and now I have a leftover 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, $31 left over. I'm just writing this on my sheet. 31 left over. Sorry, you probably can't see it, but I'll show you in a bit. And then since $1 is going into Costco, 30 is going into savings. All of this will go into savings challenges at the end of the video, but I just wrote a little note for myself so I remember that that's what I did this week. Okay, now I'm just going to reload these with similar amounts. So spending is getting 30. Eating out's getting 30. Groceries, I'm doing something a little different in groceries. If you don't watch my cash planning videos, I do explain some of my thought process when it comes to these amounts over there in that video. So definitely check those out if you haven't already. But groceries this week, I started realizing that I have a decent amount of food that has been carried over from previous weeks, some frozen things that I kind of should eat through and some snacks and things like that. So I felt like I didn't really need as much of a grocery budget that I normally have, because usually I have $80 in here. This is my first time doing this, so I plan on just doing $50 for this week. I think that's more than enough. I will adjust moving forward after I do it this time to see how much. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe next time I'll try $45. But I think this is something I'm gonna do periodically just to, you know, get through some of the stuff that I have on hand. I just felt like last week I went grocery shopping and I actually didn't make some of the food that I planned on making because I didn't need to for like my lunches and stuff, because we were doing stuff at work and they were kind of feeding us. So I'm gonna roll that over to this week. And then, like I said, I have some frozen stuff, some snack things that I wanted to eat through. So basically this is just buying me like fresh stuff, like produce that I need, and some other little odds and ends. So yeah, that's my plan for this week. That's why my grocery budget's only $50 this week, since I have a decent amount that I can kind of go through for this week. Okay, so yeah, that'll be my grocery money. And then coffee is getting 20. I usually put 20 in here for the week. And then buffer is getting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that is, how much is that? 140? 140 in my wallet. So we'll just see at the end of the week how much I don't spend. That's my wallet for the week. All right, now let's go into my binders. We'll start with the black one. First up is auto. I'm putting $10 into auto. So now I have 150, 60, 71. 171 in auto. 171. Electronics is getting 5. Now this envelope has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 81. 81. Emergency's getting 5. So that has 1, 2, 320, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 338, but I have in savings 2,000. Yeah, 2,388 total in emergency. 2,388. Extra savings is getting 10, so that has 30 now. And extra savings. Furniture's not getting anything. This has 285 at the moment, which I feel is a decent amount. So that's why I'm not putting anything in there right now. Month ahead is getting 5. In cash, I have 120, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 134. But in savings, I have 2,500. So that is 2634 total in this envelope. Rainy day is getting 5. That has 1, 220, 30, 35, 235 in rainy day, 235. Registration's getting 5. So now that has 110, 15, 20, 120. Road trip's getting 5. So that has 15. Scentsi's getting 5, and that's all it has right now is 5. Subscriptions is getting 5, and that's all it has too. I actually just paid my last subscription, my last annual subscription for the year, and so I don't have any annual subscriptions due until next year. So I have some time to grow that envelope, so that's good. So that was 5. Travel's getting 5. Okay, so that one. And then this one, I have 500 already in savings. So I have in cash 1, 2, 320, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. 342 plus the 500 is 842. 842. All right, so that is done on the black binder. Next, we'll do pink binder next. Okay, so Disneyland. I just went to Disneyland. Not yesterday, Friday. Okay, but I plan on also going this upcoming Friday, 2 Fridays in a row. So $10 in that one. My next cash stuffing, definitely I need to put way more money in this one because Disneyland is switching over to Halloween on Friday. That's why I'm going on Friday, because that's the first day of Halloween. I'm sure it's gonna be madness there, but I'm excited for it because I went on Friday and it was so empty. It was amazing. It was a perfect Disney day weather-wise. Well, it was a little warm, but it wasn't super hot. But the fact that like a lot of rides we could just walk onto was really cool, or maybe wait like 20 minutes for a ride was amazing. But yeah, it was really a good day. But I'm excited for next Friday, for the coming up Friday, to go for Halloween because there's a whole new menu of food and drinks and treats. So I'm gonna make my list. I think I saw there's like a strawberry matcha at Pim's in DCA that I want to try. That one looks really good. Of course there's like desserts and stuff and just other food items. I have to make my list, see how much it's gonna cost me, so that way I can have the right amount in there. I can't try everything, but a few things. I want to try a few things. Treat yourself is getting $5. So I have 150, 210, 15, 20, 21, 22, 222 and treat yourself. 222, 222. Fun is getting 5. Oops. So fun has 25 now. 25. Hobbies is getting 5. So hobbies has 8. Christmas is getting 10. Okay, I have 500 already in savings for Christmas. So in cash, I have 20, 1, 2, 3. So 23 in cash. 523 total for Christmas. 523. Holiday decor gets 5. And this one has 120, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 167 in holiday decor. And then tires is at 600 in savings right now. All right, cool. And then next is the gray binder. Beauty is getting 10. So that has 20 in beauty. Clothing is getting 5. So now that one has 20, 40, 65, 66 in clothing. 66. Costco's getting nothing from this, but the $1 from my leftover money. And so now it has $3. I just went to Costco, so I don't plan on going to Costco for anything. Oh, I need to add $1 to this. Oh, come on. Okay, so add $1, that's $3. So that got $1, and that's $3. Okay. Family is getting 5. So now that has 26 in family. 26. Gifts is getting 5. Now this one has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3. 163. Yes, correct. 163. Home is getting 5. So that's 30 in home. Household's getting 5. That's 30 as well. Actually, I need a few things this week with this one. Household is 30. Pantry's not getting anything. It's fully funded at 30 right now. And then Target's getting 5. And now this one has 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34 in Target. All right, now we're down to my savings. Actually, first I want to do my 100 envelope. So 100 envelope, I'm planning on doing 5, but I have leftover money, so I can do a little bit more. We'll see what I can do actually. For sure a 10 and maybe some 1s. All right, so I have 15 right now. I could do 16. I'll do 16. Okay, add $1 here. 15, 16. All right, so 16 instead of 5. Done. Cool. Actually, what am I doing? So January. Okay, September. Yeah, next month I'm going to, at the end of next month, I'm gonna take all these lower amounts and push them to the higher amounts. Right now my highest number is 83. So yeah, slowly but surely getting these filled, which is good. All right, now moving on to the rest of my savings challenges. Let's actually do this one first. So this one was 7. So that's getting 7. All right, so that's 7 in the snack one. Cash Dash 1, I plan on doing 10. I actually can do 2. I could take this 10 and this 10 and do 2 of these. Yeah, let's do that. So I get to color in 2 of these sections here. really close to finishing this one, so that's good. So I have $80 more to save till I get the finish line. All right, so that's 20 in this challenge. Done. Goes in here. Okay, next one is Cash Dash 2, which I plan on doing $2. That is this challenge right here. So I have 2, but I could do more. Okay, I could do 3. Bump it up to 3. If I can't do the 5 because then that'll be 8. And I already did 8. So I guess, yeah, I'll just do 3. Yeah, I'll do 3 this round. Oh, actually forgot to get a marker. Let's see. What color haven't I used yet? I guess light pink. Color this one in. Perfect. So that's $3 instead of 2. It goes back here. And then Treat Yourself got 5, which is this one. Okay, so I do have an extra 5. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I'll bump this up to 10. So instead of 5, I'm doing 10. Yes, and then I get to color in a 10. Oh, I have 1 10 left, so I can do this one. Here, markers. Okay, got my brown, and I'll do a pink. Or this is not really pink, it's like purpley pink. Actually, it is kind of pink. I don't know. Kind of looks purple and pink at the same time. Okay, and then I'm just gonna color in the bar, the chocolate bar. Sorry, I messed this pen up, or this marker up, so it's coloring kind of funny. Not the best, but it does the trick. I need a new one. All right, so that's 10 all colored in. Cute. This one's from my shop. I don't know if this one's still in stock, but I need to make more of these. Okay, so that's 10. And that one. Then I have this 5. I don't have any more to add to this, so I'm just gonna do 1 on this one. Color in one of the little piggies here. Penny the pig. Here. All right, so we're gonna do, oh yeah, I'm doing the pink hat. Okay, I'm gonna color in one of these little hats. Cute. All right, so I did 5 for that one, so that's good. And then the last one is the dollar savings challenge. So that I'm adding 3, and now I have 5 for this one. All right, so with that, I am all done. So I was able to increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 savings challenges thanks to leftover money. Awesome. Love to see that. Okay, so that is my cash stuffing for the week. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Again, if you haven't already, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hype it up. All those things would be amazing. But yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.